Good morning, students. In the last video, we have seen three forms of the invitation. Okay, the formal invitation, a notice, and an oral invitation. So, in this video, we are going to see another oral invitation. Okay, but it is informal invitation because it is the conversation between the student and his parents. Okay, so let's see how he is inviting his parents. Okay, students passed on the message to their parents. Here is an example. So it is one of the example of the informal invitation. So let's see. So student named Samir is telling information to his mom about the inauguration ceremony. Mummy, you and Daddy are invited to our school on Sunday, the 9th, said Samir. So Samir said that, Mummy, you and Daddy are invited to our school. Okay, on Sunday, the 9th. So, what he mentioned here? That the function is to be held on the Sunday 9th of on the 9th. Okay, and you and Daddy have to come to the school. What is the occasion? So his mom asked him, what is the occasion? What is the ceremony? Why they have invited us in the school? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. There is a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. Students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. So, his mother asked him that what is the occasion, why we are invited in the school. Then the student is giving information about the function. So, he is telling that in detail that what is the function is about, when it is going to be taken. Okay, our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. So he is telling that his school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands, and there is a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. So he is mentioning the time, okay, when it is going to be held. So it is on the Sunday at 10 a.m. Students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. So it is especially for the 7th standard students and their parents. So they are invited to inaugurate for the inauguration of that project. Okay, so see, in this conversation the parents is asking questions and then the student is giving a more information about the invitation. Okay, where is it? In the school assembly hall. How long will it be? About an hour. Mrs. Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. So his mom is asking him a question and then he is giving answers to her questions. Okay, so his mom is asked, where is it? Where is this function to be held? Then Samir replied, in the school assembly hall. So he is giving information about the venue. How long will it be? So she is asking for the time. Okay, about an hour. Mrs. Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. So he is telling that the timing is about an hour. Okay, and Mrs. Naik, our principal, is also present there. Okay, and the former principal Vimla Naik is also present there. Okay, and she is going to inaugurate it. I see. And what's this project about? So his mom is asking that what is this project? Okay, what is the purpose of doing this project? Then Samir said, oh, we are all going to visit places and work for others, turn by turn. They will explain that on Sunday. So Samir is knowing about that project, okay, a little information. She knows only that they will go to various places and work for various peoples. Okay, they will help the needy peoples. So he is knowing some part of information and he is telling that to his mother. And the detailed explanation is to be given on Sunday. So you are going to participate in it, aren't you? So she is asking that are you going to participate in it? Then he said, yes, mummy. He said, yes, I am going to participate. Let's see. Daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. So she is assuring him that we both will not come, but I will definitely come with you. Okay, that would be nice because Mr. Ajink has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. So you see, Mr. Ajinkya is the teacher in charge. Okay, so it is his responsibility that the notice or the invitation should be given to each and every student and his parent. So he mentioned the invitation on the notice board also, and again he told uh, to each and every student to tell their parents. Okay, so you can see students in this oral invitation, the parents are asking information to the student and then student are giving the answers. So it is informal communication. Okay, in this the student is giving information when it is asked. Okay, and in other formats, in the formal invitation, all the information is in the written form. Okay, and when we see any invitation card, then we will get minute information, each and every detail about the function. So we don't have to ask anything, and in this conversation, each and every detail is being asked from the parents to the students. Okay, so this is the main difference between the formal and informal invitations. Okay, so which is the best form of invitation? A formal invitation. Okay, thank you.